Good morning, good afternoon, students. I had the pleasure of meeting many of you this week during our first week of school, and many of you I will meet this coming week, so I look forward to meeting all of you. I am here today on a Sunday afternoon, waiting for laundry to dry, and I'm taking a break from folding laundry, so I thought I would give you a little introduction to the clarinet, because I know many of you already got your instruments, which is really cool, and probably want to try putting them together and playing them. So I wanted to make sure we didn't develop any bad habits from the very beginning. So here I am with a clarinet case. Now, any case that you get has these buckles on the side. You want to make sure that the buckles are facing the right way before you open your instrument. So before you, whether it's a saxophone or an oboe or a clarinet, it always has to be with the label facing up to the ceiling. Okay, so the label faces up. There are two labels on each side. The side that opens up is usually the thinner side on top. So make sure you're opening this way, and then you're opening, lift, and then pull out the latches, okay? And then when we put the instrument back, close it back up before you pick it up. One of the things that really scares me is to see students pick up their cases without it closed and all the pieces come falling out. Now, why did I choose the clarinet? To show you, because I think it's more of the one of the more complicated ones to put together. Because more pieces, okay? So those of you who play trumpet, you're lucky enough to just have the actual body of the instrument and the mouthpiece. But for clarinet, it's quite different. Okay, so here we are. We're doing clarinet lesson 1. I'm going to move this. This is just to show you the importance of bringing a pencil to every lesson. Always make sure you have a pencil. If it doesn't go in your case, it should be in your band folder. Band folders will start out as green folders from the music shop, and then we will branch off to these darker folders here. Sorry, I don't feel like moving everything around. These black band folders have pockets and a pencil holder inside of them. So we're working on getting those for the students last year. I don't know if I collected them all from 5th grade, but we'll find out. Okay, so, and I like candy canes. So, importance of pencil to your lesson and the folder. If you don't have a folder, at the beginning of the year, you could use a binder maybe and just put together some hole punchers, or we'll come up with something in class to help you out. Back to the instrument building. Okay, I'm going to push pause to make 2 uploads for today. BRB.